Hi, good morning everybody. We are here in SM and guess what? They have jungle safari in the mall in here. It's the zoo in the mall. And boys, would you like to say hi to daddy?
Hi!
Where's Daniel?
Here.
Daniel!
Yes. Come to our zoo!
Welcome to the zoo. Alright, go in.
To our zoo.
Alright, you go in. Okay, daddy, this is how it looks like in here. What's that, Michael?
It's a rhino.
Is it? Alright, what else you got? Okay. Hey boys, what would you like to say? What? Okay. See what you've got in your zoo. Alright. Daniel, where you going? Let me see. Wow, nice. What? That's lion. Alright. Hi. Let's have a look. Okay. Be careful.